Most people get this wrong. They assume Nixo is just another payday advance or buy now, pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that Nixo has evolved into a full-featured financial tool offering early access to wages, flexible installment payments, and helpful spending management features, all designed to make short-term cash flow more manageable. Here's how it works. First, Nixo allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This is perfect for emergencies, unexpected bills, or sudden expenses. Second, it lets you split eligible purchases into smaller installments over a few weeks with predictable flat fees rather than high-interest charges. That makes budgeting much easier and keeps surprises to a minimum. Nixo also provides dashboards, alerts, and reminders so you can track upcoming payments, monitor spending, and avoid late fees. These tools encourage responsible use and give you more control over your finances. The downside: overuse can be costly. Frequent advances or missed installments can add up quickly, and depending too heavily on Nixo could mask deeper financial issues instead of solving them. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances or splits you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications to stay on top of upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on Nixo for everyday expenses. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash for help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or weak repayment habits may end up paying more than they save. In conclusion, Nixo in 2026 is a practical and convenient tool, but only if used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest reviews and actionable money tips to help you stay in control of your finances.